Today I would like to share a proverb, and it is an honor to do so in front of all the elders that lie here on this book. This is a proverb, was one of the first Samoan proverbs my grandmother shared with me, and it is A longo itai, e longo iuta. What is felt on land is felt at the sea. It is a lesson in our connectivity. It also means what is felt in the east is felt in the west. What is felt in the north is felt in the south. What is done by this generation is felt by the next. A lesson in connectivity. I believe, and I know we all believe as Pacific people and people of this ocean, that we are connected. And I know that this connectivity goes beyond us here today. This connection also ties us to our ancestors, and this connection also connects us to our future generations, to our descendants. And so if there is one thing that I could offer here today, is that we all may feel that connection, and that the young ones here on this waka get to be that little bit closer to our next generation. Minapa whawhitai. Kia ora.